Elena, so in this video, we're going to do a market analysis on the property. The purpose of it is to find out what your home can potentially sell for in today's market. And the way we're going to do that is by looking at what similar sized homes are selling for in top market condition. So we're going to be looking at updated homes that are similar in size and shape and number of bedrooms and bathrooms and whatnot to your property and figure out how much are they selling for. So that's going to be the standard at which we're going to be looking at. Now, obviously, I haven't seen your property, so I wouldn't be able to give you an estimate of what it could sell for. The way that usually happens is you have to schedule a 15-minute walkthrough with me so I could come check out the property and then come back and reassess and find out what homes similar in the condition of your property, what they sold for, and then do another video like this for you, just to give you a better estimate. But for the purposes of just getting to know what's going on in the market, that's what we're going to be looking at this video. Okay, so I hope you're watching this on a full screen mode, preferably on your iPad, iPhone, not iPhone, sorry, an iPad or a computer, laptop, just for a better experience. So first, we're going to determine what the specs of your property are. So you have a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, roughly about 2,500 square feet. It's built in 1980 in the Mission Bend, Leona subdivision, and it sits on an 8,000 square foot lot. Okay. On this next screen, I have actually mapped out all the properties in your neighborhood. So you can see like before Bel Air, south of Bel Air, and west of Highway 6 in this little triangle pocket. Now, I'm not going down in these areas because the school changes, so that affects the value of the property. And those schools are going to be zoned to A leaf, right? So, and that just like throws off the number. So we're going to be looking at homes in this little triangle, this pocket, and you can see this dotted line. That's the cutoff for the school district where it changes. So, for example, on Lindita Street, anyone who lives all the way to this point are going to be zoned to one school, and then once you cross this imaginary line, the school changes and the kids are going to be going to a different school. So it makes a big difference. Okay, so let's take a look at similar homes. So I've already picked 1, 2, 3, 4 homes that are similar to yours. And I will be sending this in an email so you can take a look at the pictures at your own time. Here's one on 7715 Las Brisas Drive. This one is a little bit smaller in terms of square footage, but the lot size is bigger. They were asking 182, sold for 185. Okay, now these homes are, keep in mind, these are updated. So just to give you an example, here are the pictures. Here's the kitchen, granite countertops, right? So they've painted it. I mean, it's clean, move-in ready home. Sold for 185. Here's another one, sold for 183. This one had 4 bedrooms, but again, sold for 183. Here's another one, sold for 182. Finally, this property on Camino Rancho Drive, this one was on the market for 189, 999. So they were asking 190, but the home actually sold for 181 within 39 days on market. Okay, so for top of the market, I'm seeing it anywhere between 180 to 185 top market value. Now from there, obviously, you want to subtract how much the repairs are going to cost and the cost of remodeling and whatnot. And once you subtract that, then you can figure out what you can potentially sell your property for. Another thing you want to look at is the days on market. This column right here, the DOM, days on market. And I'm seeing that most properties are actually selling within 45 days or less. So if you put your property on the market, it just means that within the first 45 days, you should be able to have it under contract and have it sold. And here are the numbers that I'm seeing is 39, 109, 86, 16, 24, 55, 30, 27, 2 days on the market, 7, 10 days on the market. So that's that. Now, obviously, I would like to go ahead and schedule a showing whenever you're ready. The house doesn't need to look in a perfect condition. It's just for me to come and make an assessment of the condition of it so that I could give you a better estimate of what you could sell the property for. If you have any other questions, feel free to call me, text me, or email me, and I'll be more than happy to assist you with that. Until then, take care, have a wonderful day, and I hope this video was helpful. Bye.